After having breakfast and doing the dishes, I got the boat ready. It's blowing 20 plus knots. It's gonna be a great trip. And Step C is ready. Conditions were really good. After sailing for a while with the front sail, I decided to put up the mainsail.
It's going good here. I'm just going with the engine and the main sail, because the direction of the wind changed and I cannot make my course, so I need to change a little my course and help with the engine a little. It's going slowly, a little slower, and we're banging against the waves, but it's going okay. It'll take a little more time, but it's fine. A mayday came on the VHF radio just 10 minutes ago about a boat sinking in the area with 5 people on board. I tried to look. I think it's not near me, and I think they're getting assistance now, but that doesn't look good. Okay, a new message came through the VHF radio that all persons on board, they are saved, so everything is okay now. It is sad, of course, that the boat is lost, but thankfully no lives are lost, so that's the good news at least. Yeah, and we are carry on sailing here. I think in about an hour and a half I will be in the harbor. Yes. I had to change my course because there's a ship out there on anchor, so I had to change my course and divert it, and then I will get back to my course. And I'm very near to the sailing into the Limfjord again. So I'm approaching the entrance to the Limfjord. There, then we're gonna turn to the starboard to the right. The sails are taken down now. We're heading in for Hals. We're almost there. Yes, this is where we're going. So just arrived in Hals harbor. 20 minutes past 5. That will make about 6.5 hours sailing. Usually it takes 6, but I couldn't follow the course, so I had to make a roundup in order to catch the wind from the right direction. So it all took like half an hour more. So that's not bad. I thought it would take like 1.5 hours more, but so that's great. The weather has been fine, lots of wind. First couple of hours it was fine, the right direction, but after that we changed the course. I changed the course, and so the wind was not on the right direction. So we were motoring together with the sails. But the first couple of hours was with the sails, so it's fine. But it was a good trip anyway. And now I'm here, and it's sunny, and the wind is howling in the rigs of the boats. So yeah, that was a nice trip. And bye till next time with a new adventure.